You can see in the previous bear market, the red zone lasted for a very long time. In this bull cycle, we've had 4 fake outs already, potentially.
One of the most powerful ideas in crypto, which is kind of like bridging all the chains together in a safe fashion.
This is most beautiful chart going down.
Balancer's still in a bear market.
Since 2017?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's gotta be the worst chart in crypto.
Let's be honest, the markets have been kind of brutal lately. Don't risk too much.
Welcome to the show. This is the Moon Boys podcast. My name's Theo, and today I'm joined by Rom Reactor and Coke. Welcome to the show, guys. How are you doing?
Doing good,
Busy.
doing good. Coke didn't want to
Busy.
participate me.
I just wrapped up one ThorChain video, so really busy.
What was that video all about?
It was a weekly recap. So, you know, we have like 2-3 hour spaces, a lot of updates, upgrades, this and that, a lot of moving parts. So we decided with Patriot Sounds that we will make a update, weekly update, and also make like a features videos as well. So like, hey, we added this feature because still a lot of people don't know that you can swap on ThorChain without connecting your wallet. So you will never compromise your cold wallet.
Hell yeah. So Coke's the head of research at ThorChain now. And nothing on this show is financial advice. We're not financial advisors, just some guys on the internet.
I'm just a derp at ThorChain. So whatever Theo says, don't believe it.
Yeah. And I also wanted to disclose my new strategy for Moon Boys podcast. Looking at that, we are reached basically an all-time low. I think I'm just gonna hodl this time. I won't dump on the community. I will just hodl, but I will definitely announce when I'm dumping if I'm dumping. So don't worry, guys.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at the chart.
It won't be dumped. It won't be dumped in secret by me. It will be.
You always announce when you dump on the audience's head.
Yeah.
Theo, we want chart. Let's go.
I don't think we're live on Moon Boys podcast. I don't see it. Maybe
We're definitely live, and I will bring up the chart here.
Oh, there it is. Yep.
Yeah,
So
we're at under 4K. We've completely flatlined.
Yeah.
So,
do you know what happened, guys? Axel sold, and he never came back on podcast. So I think.
Oof. Okay.
I think there's
that's an interesting perspective. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. He sold.
He needed to get some buying power for other coins, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just buy it here. Okay, it just went up a little bit. I bought it.
I heard he's going on ThorChain, like buying RUNE and stuff, bonding, getting APY. What's totally wild, actually. So at the moment, the APY is like 55% when it comes to like monthly average, but like when you take 3-day average, it's like 75. So crazy.
That's crypto for you. Let me just get out of this. There's a delay basically from the StreamYard camera to the Moon Boys camera, and when I always use the browser on Moon Boys fun stream, it like bugs me out because I'm like, wait, what's going on?
Exactly. Coke, this RUNE chart is all red. What's going on, man?
Yeah, let's start it off with that. Let's do it. Let's
walk us through the
refresh.
trade.
Okay, let's start.
You have let's time you so we don't go too crazy. 7 minutes, Coke. I think that's more than enough time to break everything down.
So show me a chart that's actually up. So
this is also including Theo's shout out to Theo's custom script, Theo's line.
This is the Moon Boys line.
The Moon Boys line. There.
Yeah.
Let's go. Explain what's going on with the Moon Boys line.
Okay, so we got the Moon Boys line. Let's go back to Bitcoin, and I'll walk you guys through it. So Moon Boys line is 3 different moving averages, simple moving averages. So we have the 44, the 125, and the 200. So when the price goes below the 200, the whole chart turns red. So it's a potential bear market zone here. So you can see in the previous bear market, the red zone lasted for a very long time. In this bull cycle, we've had 4 fake outs already, potentially. Well, the last one's not a confirmed fake out yet. It may be the beginning of a long bear market. But yeah, we're below the 200. I don't think it's not the best strategy yet, but it's the best one I got.
And it also has the crossing of the 45 and the 125 as well.
Exactly. Yeah. So it takes inspiration from the Larson line. So when it's bullish, it's gold. When it's neutral, it's gray. And when it's bearish, it's blue. That sort of thing. So it operates on closures of the price. So if the price closes below the 44 in this case, it would turn gray. If it closes below the 125, it would turn blue. Stuff like that.
Okay. Well, let's say
bullish, bearish
I'm a new boy podcast, and I had a secret deal with you. I put your Moon line. Where is the exact like buy and sell, or does it even provide like a buy and sell signal, or
No.
how do I?
it doesn't really have a buy and sell. It's more about trends, right? So if it's gold, it's a bullish trend. You know, when it flips gold, that's a great time to buy. Flips bearish, great time to sell potentially.
Oh, so you're still in the hand of the gods. So you have to decide on your own.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a
Okay.
hand-holding strategy.
No.
We could put the super trend on there. Let's do the super trend.
There's actually many. Let's see. Oh, but
Oh,
it's
so the super money line?
No, this is the super trend. It's free.
Oh, so it's like the money line. Wow, so that's pretty funny.
Well, yeah, if you want to create the money line, you just go into the super trend and it's open source.
Yep.
Oh, is it open source? This script is read only.
It depends. There's so many super lines.
Create a working copy. Okay, so yeah, here's the super trend code. So if you wanted to create the money line, you would just compare the super trend to the money line, and then you would just modify the super trend's moving averages essentially to match up.
I see.
You can create a free version of the money line.
Interesting. Now,
Yeah.
how does Ivan charge 1,000? That's amazing.
Well, Ivan's not charging just for the money line. He's also got the private Discord community. He's got the Morales token scanner, whatever it's called, the Bullmania.
We should create our own at this point. And
Terminal?
charge 150.
I actually have it open because I am collecting beans. Yeah, here, collect the beans every day, guys. And then you can come into commodities and you can trade soybeans. So soybeans, guys, are bearish right now.
Is it soy lana or is it soybeans?
No, soybeans are bearish, but corn is actually bullish.
That's corny.
Palladium is in the top 3.
Yeah,
the most metals are so bullish. Just last week, I think the silver made a new all-time high, so that's crazy.
Retail is in
live
metals.
cattle. Live cattle is bullish.
Nice.
Lean hogs.
That's not actually good. Not nice. I want my beef cheap.
Lumber, lead, rapeseed. Wow. Okay. Cocoa.
I doubt Ivan is actually buying it. Is this even available on the crypto? Like, is this on Solana?
No. It's meant for if you have like a brokerage account, and then you can like order.
Not even a brokerage account. For me, it's called a futures account.
Yeah, you can order some cattle at the home. So, and
how would you invest in live hogs?
So for me, I don't have this account open, but I could open it. You need a minimum of, I think, like $18,000 to $20,000 in margin, and then you get a futures account where you're trading live cattle, and if somehow it gets settled and you don't sell or whatever, they're gonna deliver you live cattle to your address, and you gotta pay for the storing and figure it all out. So yeah, that's how you trade that. But it's pretty, I would hope they tokenize it one day. That would be awesome. I don't know.
Tokenized live cattle.
Tokenized hogs.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's technically already, if you in the future contract, you just make the contract with tokenized security, right?
It does give the ticker here, and then you can open it in TradingView. So if I wanted lean hogs on TradingView,
it's probably going to look crazy. Oh, yep, exactly. Like
it gapped down.
The flu came. Boom.
Yeah, it gapped down. So that's actually a really bullish setup there because it's going to close the gap. So we have a target of $97 for one lean hog.
I don't.
Should we get one tomorrow? I go to the market.
You gotta go to the village.
One lean hog.
I heard it's going up, boys.
How much for 2 hogs? Preferably one male, one female.
The stock tips, the livestock.
So I can stake my hogs in my lawn.
But this show isn't really just about roasting Ivan on Tech or Bullmania. We are.
No, you're just showing the features.
No, we're talking about the irony of trading real commodities.
Some of us are still community members in Ivan on Tech. Some of us, anyways.
Ivan is awesome. He's doing him.
Yeah. Some of us are community members. Some of us watch his podcast, and some of us are ex-employees.
Yeah, I watch him probably daily, just for the entertainment purpose.
Yeah, that's you. You watch him. Okay, into crypto.
Let's do it.
To crypto.
What is Knight?
Knight, not familiar, but I see Mix, and Mix is one of those tokens that has those low liquidities, market maker pump, and it's on Linea, so it definitely has those market makers from consensus.
Yeah, we covered Mix a couple shows ago, but Knight actually is Midnight. That's Charles Hoskinson.
Oh, it's on Cardano?
I guess. Did it finally IPO?
Show me the contract address. Is it really?
Show me the chart.
Yeah, it's on Cardano. It's an altcoin on Cardano.
Wow.
But guys,
That's-
you remember that it was like
Wow.
2017 when they're like, oh, Gardanzo will come, EOS will come, they will.
I have to give a close
Elite.
clap to Charles right now.
He did it.
Finally, smart
It's
contract.
a new blockchain. So
altcoin.
they abandoned Cardano, and now it's a new blockchain.
Oh, that's not good.
Foundation.
They rebranded it or no?
Oh, it's going to zero. Shit. I'm sorry for you Cardano holders. That's gonna be a hard. That's not good.
Okay, let's do
Can you imagine? Can you imagine if
weather
Bitcoin
report.
rebrands? That would be a bad, horrible day. It'll be called, instead of Bitcoin, People Coin or some bullshit.
Herbsy is the
They'll be
community.
done. Oh,
But yeah, everything is going zero. Most of the tokens will go zero.
yeah, especially if they rebrand. It's bad. Like Polygon didn't rebrand that much, and it still got hit, which is crazy.
But
Yeah,
it's-
Link is still in.
And Sonic rebranded. Then they had like this like a fast 2x because of the hype of rebrand, and now it's just bleeding and bleeding and bleeding and.
Yep.
But what a legend! He tried. I think, but they didn't just rebrand. They actually changed some kind of features on the blockchain as well. So it's different. I'm not sure exactly what did he change, but yeah. Who was the lead guy? The name is on my phone. What's the guy? No. The Phantom guy.
Phantom wasn't he like from New York or something?
The Phantom guy, the guy who made the Yearn finance and stuff. Would help me out, guys.
Yearn finance he made. Andre Cronje, that guy.
Yeah, Andrew.
Andre Cronje.
Yeah.
Andrej Kronje.
He's OG. He's a like a crypto OG on ETH. He made all those cool stuff. Actually, let's go on Yearn finance. Let's see what's the APYs there, like for the vaults and stuff. Maybe you can take us to Yearn and let's see what's the stable coin, because you have used lately Jupiter the LP tokens, right?
Yearn.
Oh,
I remember Yearn when it came out. That token was like 20,000 tokens.
Yeah, it was. Yeah,
It's down. It's looking like ThorChain.
yeah, slightly better. But let's take a look at vaults. So we don't care about the token price. Let's see what the yields are paying out for stables. It's still like unattractive 1-2%.
It's about 5% for USDC.
Yearn 5
And
websites.
it's for Curve USD, it's 9% almost. But I don't know. Curve USD sounds a little bit sketch.
That's not bad. And it's, I mean, if you want to park your money somewhere, I would say Yearn is like one of those battle destinations, like.
Yeah, but you have to do a partnership. You have to get this Curve USD. So you have to go to Curve. You have to deposit collateral. You have to get Curve USD, and then you go to Yearn and get 8%. Now you're gonna have counterparty risk on the Curve side, because Curve, I remember that guy, I think was trying to dump all his tokens.
No, he got liquidated. I mean, he in purpose, I guess, because he took a leverage against his own like tokens that he said I will never sell, and then he got liquidated in purpose, and boom, he got all his money. But what's about the Jupe and how much Jupe pays out?
Jupiter?
Yeah, I think Theo is like a Jupe whale.
Jupe, JUP token.
Look, no, it's JPY, JLY, JLP. That's it. It's Jupiter Earn. You have to type in.
Yeah. So basically, what you do, you will give your USDC as a collateral there, and
basically the same thing.
That's not bad, 8%, but I don't know.
But you can do it in more than just Curve USDC that was on your file.
Yeah.
You have all of these.
But I'm not sure if it's good or bad, because like let's say inflation is about 8 as well.
Like Solana gives you 14, or is it utility? I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, but then you have to. At the moment, all the L1s give more yield because it's down. Makes sense.
Yeah, JLP's down right now.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. How much?
Everything's down.
Even JLP.
JLP peaked at $6 and it's down to 4.5, 4.6. So not a lot of volatility. It kind of just grinds up slowly over time, but it's on a pullback right now.
It's kind of doubling out. It's if you want to buy this token, I would say it's not a bad position, because this token, as I understand, right? People trade against it, and if they fail their trades, then it goes like.
Absolutely.
What's with the Hyperliquid's token as well?
Yeah, we could take a look. Hype.
Not the hype itself, but how much they pay out for if you deposit the USDC. Hype itself is not hyping anymore.
Oh yeah, I could check that one.
Yeah.
So like
And
hype
then
staking.
following
Or?
this, let's do the Atom and RUNE staking rewards. I want to see that as well. If it's
You talking about like hype staking?
The hype, what is the token that you deposit the USDC, and then if the traders lose money, you get more USDC, and the hype vault token. Or there are so many vaults now.
Yeah, there's vaults, but I'm not sure which vault. HLP, I guess. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, the main one. Okay, 1.2 only, 1.29.
That's not good.
Past month return 1% APR. That's pretty good for 1 month.
Oh, it's monthly. That's really good.
Yeah, it's good.
So basically, you trade against traders on platform, and usually traders lose money. So that's why this is profitable vault. But now they unlocked the feature that there's different types of vaults, right? So
oh yeah, there's many vaults.
What's the best one? Let's take a look. 100.
Sort by APR. Okay, Phoenix 1 has 1,000% APR. It's 193 days old.
That's good. Look, like 200.
Oh, look at this one.
Days.
This one's wizard coded. It's called not in employment, education, or training.
That's what the hell?
Neat. It's 1,400 APR.
But now it's trading really bad. It's
just long hype and ETH.
Ooh. But let's take the first one. Oh no, third one. It was 233 days.
233 DWA.
Yep. Let's see.
Ouch. It's only got $949 TVL.
But how can it be 915% APR if it's down?
That's in the last month. So it went down 1,000,000%, and then it.
Okay.
5%.
Nice.
So that's how you get there. Yeah.
Can we have all-time performance? That would be nice to see. What's the best vault all time?
Yes. All-time earned is $0, I guess, because it's negative.
Yeah.
Maybe those top filters over there to the right.
Yeah. Lending, depositing, colors, but it's on all time.
What about TVL? We could sort by TVL. So this one has $3 million and it's 122% APR. And it's just long Bitcoin by 40x. Oh no, never mind.
It's kind of volatile actually. Ooh.
That looks crazy.
So basically, I wonder if this is the one of those few AI agents that's trading. You remember, guys, we used to have the AI agent stuff, but so who got it?
Yeah, exactly.
No, I mean they could do like AI rebalancing or something like that.
It still turned out in the end of the day that it was a fat guy in the bedroom. There was no AI, guys.
Yeah,
Indian guy, cheap labor. What we got the request income another 200.
Oh, that's Justin.
Oh, come on. It's fine.
Justin's got a new job. AI prompt engineer.
You guys can't be roasting Justin like that. You got to put some respect on his name.
Justin.
I call him like almost every week, every second week. So I speak to him.
Yeah.
You just blocked him.
Actually, yeah, very serious that if he has depression or something like that, then you got to check in on. Because I had a friend that apparently passed away 2 months ago. Nobody knew.
Wellness check.
Yeah, nobody like wellness checked him, and yeah, he passed away. He like overdosed. So they just found him in his
What happens?
Overdose. Like probably got depressed, and did not good drugs.
I think what is the crypto suicide index at the moment?
I don't think we got there yet. Crypto suicide. So.
We don't have.
Remember, everybody, help is available.
When
this is the suicide hotline here in Canada. If you're struggling with negative thoughts or self-harm, please get some help. Call the suicide hotline. Be safe. Don't be a statistic.
Let's be honest. The markets have been kind of brutal lately, and overall, like the economy and just like how the people are trying to struggle in this economy. It's so bad. So guys, just be careful. Don't risk too much. Yeah,
it's just trading. It's just imaginary internet money. So this chart is still showing very bullish setup here on the 3-month liquidation heat map. Still has targets at 95 and 115K. Do you guys think the bull market's in, bear market's in? What do we think is going on?
So I actually have Bitcoin pulled up right now.
Okay, let's show us.
Right now we're still on this bullish SAR daily. So what it looks like to me, if the narrative, there's this narrative that's going on, Ivan is alongside of this narrative. After October 8th, the liquidation event right here, there was a big distribution that happened due to people exiting 4-year cycle. And right now we have some people that didn't exit the 4-year cycle, so they're kind of asking the market makers to pump the price up so they could start exiting, and that's what they're doing now. Exit, right?
That's quite deep conspiracy.
Not quite deep conspiracy. So what that is forming is what's called a bear flag or a bear pendant, right? So if I flip this chart horizontally, it would look very bullish, but right. So this is the opposite would be very bearish situation where we're going back down now to 70K support. That's a major support line. Now, when are we going to start going back down? Will it happen like tomorrow, Monday, possibly? Will we first retest some of these MAs, which I still think we have a good chance to retest, especially on like weekly. The SAR still is going down, but you know, the 50 MA, and we're kind of holding support on this 100 WMA. So it's around 100K, and it's going down by the day. So we still have a chance to go to like 98K. That's only for Bitcoin. Altcoins are dead. Like they're getting so wrecked, it's crazy. You know, I don't even.
What the hell did you say about my RUNE token? Dead?
Your RUNE token is dead, bro. Every altcoin is dead. Like even if we go to RUNE token right now versus and see like, okay, Bitcoin, let's say it will recover to
even high,
right here,
right?
to like, yeah, like if Bitcoin will recover, let's say to 97K, right, which is almost like a 8% jump, which I think will be a nice bullish thing. If we go further than that, better. But how much will RUNE recover or any altcoin for that question? I don't know if they will. Like, and if they would, will they just go to the SAR, like to $1 retest? You know, you're not going to get much. So like, and let's say you were buying altcoins like I was, or any people in my position, I believe we're probably going to be holding for a longer time these coins for them to eventually outperform. Because even right now, if this bear pendant goes through, Bitcoin goes up for a little bit, and we don't get any momentum, all the money going into alts, we're done. We're probably going to be done for a long time, you know, until Bitcoin reverses and everything starts going back to, you know, back to good times. So if you were in a position like you averaged out on RUNE, let's say like you bought this dip, like your price is somewhere here, and you want to exit the cycle, you know, like you might have to get a haircut. You might still have, it might only go up here. You're not going to be able to get to this price, right? So even retest the 50 weekly moving average for RUNE.
I ain't gonna take the haircuts. I'm just bonding my RUNE and taking the yield.
Yeah, or you have to exactly. Yep, you just gotta hold it through. Hodl is gonna be the
future of your model.
Yeah, the future of the model. And if you cannot hodl, you'll probably sell somewhere where in Bitcoin, if it wants to go to 70K, you know, and if it goes lower, all the altcoins will be even in the worse shit. So you're gonna.
Axelar is pumping.
I have Axelar right here.
What the hell?
Yeah, but it's only pumping after it's been dumping. So.
Yeah. But look at the volume actually. The volume is kinda.
I have right here volume in dollars. So I mean, yeah,
I see.
It's not the best.
Oh,
volume.
I see.
Like this just, even though it shows you the highest volume, but in reality the highest volume was here.
Oh, I see.
It's actually
that's
here.
true. That's a good point that you. Well, I think volume in dollars is the most important.
Yep. Like
that's a good indicator. I actually never had it.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to make. So you basically just take total volume and multiply it by the price.
Oh, you made it on your own?
Yeah. This is actually my script. Total volume.
Why not? Why not make a count, share it, publish it? So it's the Moon Boys dollar volume indicator.
Where is it?
What the hell are you doing? Moon Boys dollar volume indicator. Oh, shit.
Where is it?
What the hell are you doing? Moon dollar.
We had somebody else join, and I think we had like echo.
Yeah, there was echo.
Yeah.
Burp fucked up.
Yeah.
I don't even know where I put this indicator. Oh, this is very interesting.
But that's a good one. I actually like it. Oh, okay. Can we? I want to take a look of now different coins.
There it is. Yeah, it's very simple. Like, see, it's like a very simple script.
But can you wrap it up and publish it? Publish script.
Times closed.
Yes.
Publish. What do you want to call it?
Moon Boys Dollarized Volume Indicator. Moon Boys Podcast. Oh no, Moon
we
Boys
can have a whole
podcast.
suite of indicators.
Yeah, volume. Moon Boys Podcast. So it's they know. Okay. All one Moon Boys Podcast. I think all one, right? I mean, Theo is our brand manager, so you call the shots.
Describe your script.
You don't write podcast, and then you can put a space between Moon and Boys is fine.
Okay, so this description, I will give my ETH address. 1 second.
Just remove the word podcast. Just make it Moon Boys Dollarized Volume.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So
Yeah.
Okay.
Describe your script.
It's important to do a good description right away, because you can never edit the description afterwards. You can only add on to it with like patch notes.
Oh,
so good to like run it through ChatGPT first. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Anybody wants to ChatGPT script it, or should I go?
Let's go. It's now. It's more than Moon Boys now. Yeah. It's more than Moon Boys now.
Oh yeah, she's echoing.
You fucked up. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a setting in by the way, in the
echo cancellation.
Yep.
Yeah. Is it good?
You click this. So if you're not using headphones and if the sound is coming out of your
no, she had headphones on.
Yeah, I'm not sure where the echo is coming from then in that case, but
I have headphones on.
Yeah, usually turning on like echo cancellation would do it though.
Yeah, so if there's some, and then echo cancellation would do it.
I think I can do it from my side here. Edit my. Yeah, you already have echo cancellation turned on. Okay, let's bring you back and see if it works. You already have echo. No, it's it's playing.
Oh my god.
All right, so yeah, just write the description of the indicator here, and then we'll move on with our lives, I guess.
Fucking cancel it. We can do it off the record.
Do it live.
You have to join the Patriot to get the indicator. Let's go.
Do it live.
But no, let's check. I want to check out the other coins. I want to see RUNE's dollarized volume. I want to see what else. Hype is interesting. Let's take a couple of look maybe. Later. Let's. Theo will show the skills.
I don't know if Rom's ready. Let's see. Is he ready? No, he's still writing the description.
Yeah, I'm just getting the description.
Let's look at Balancer meanwhile, because Balancer, I think, got a little bit hacky some days ago.
Balancer. Oh, it's all red. This is a shorting opportunity.
Oh my god. This is most beautiful chart going down.
Balancer's still in a bear market.
Since 2027? 17?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
2021, yeah.
Holy shit.
That's got to be the worst chart in crypto.
What about Uni? I don't know what Uni. Because they are supposed to switch. Did they enable the fee switch?
Uni, let's go.
Yeah, Balancer, I would avoid. Like, for some reason, I remember they had multiple hacks and vulnerabilities.
Yeah, just recently, yeah.
They're like similar to kind of like Ujira narrative. That's why I still don't trust Ujira, and Balancer is in the same boat, because there's too many vulnerabilities and they keep happening. Can
you spot on the chart where there were news about fee switch going on? The hint is November.
Okay, so we have three options for this script. I'm gonna pick, let's see, this one. I think.
Is this it here?
No, November. No, next November. This is actually when everything boomed a bit. Right side November. Here, this was small one, like straight up and then straight down.
So Swoto.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, what do you guys think of this description?
Okay, let's see.
Good enough. Is this good enough?
Perfect.
So you didn't even read it.
Stop looking at just unit volume. This script visualizes the total USDT volume times close to show you exactly how much money is being traded on every candle.
But it's not inflation adjusted, bro. It's bullshit.
True liquidity. See the real value behind the moves.
Join the podcast now.
Better comparisons. Compare volume accurately across assets with different prices. Simple and effective. A lightweight tool to spot high capital interest instantly.
That's crazy.
Moon Boys Podcast official indicator. So is this going to be another free indicator, or is this one going to be locked behind Patreon?
Or should I do this one?
This one's free.
Where it's just
Let's just keep releasing free.
Yeah. No, just like 1K per month or something. Simple.
1K per month?
Yeah.
Then 95% discount.
Or should I just use
only 150 a month. That's a 95% discount.
Exactly.
It's only 500 a month.
Is this one better? The just paragraph, or like boom, boom,
I think that's perfect. Yeah. Print.
I think Rom Reactor is perfect as he is.
Continue, public, okay. Visibility open, category. Let's go. Cycles, indicator, what would be candlestick analysis?
It's definitely educational. Don't trust the indicator.
And that's it.
Okay, let me do the weather report. I got to do the weather report.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the show. Looking over at that crypto roundup, the majors are down on the day with Bitcoin at 88.8K, Ethereum at 3,100, and Sol at $130. The wallet that shorted the market right before the 1010 collapse opens over 600 million worth of longs across BTC, ETH, and Sol. Is the bull market coming back? We don't know, but we will find out soon, potentially. He could be doing different positions on different platforms, so he may be trying to fake us out, so just keep an eye out for that. YouTube allows creators to be paid out in stable coins. Rom's crotch is front and center.
My bad. I have to put my charger in.
Coinbase to add tokenized stocks and prediction markets next Wednesday. Do Kwon gets sentenced to 15 years in prison for his role in the 40 billion Terraform fraud.
Unfair.
Fire Dancer goes live on Solana mainnet. Very bullish for Solana. Klarna partners with Privy to create crypto wallet for the masses. And DTCC receives a no action letter from... It just cuts off there. Okay, that's all I got. That's the weather report. Back to you in the studio. Good job, Theo, as always.
Good job.
I think like my script is like my whole thing, or or it just took my chart. I don't know what happened, really, guys.
You fucked up, most likely.
Oh yeah, so that's how it works. When you first publish the script, it'll take your entire screen, like all the indicators you have live at that time.
Oh my god!
And so you'll be stuck with that forever now.
Oh, it's fine.
It's fine. Don't even worry about it.
Yeah, it's a Moon Boys fuck up. It's usual.
Yeah, because everybody who's searching for the word moon, they're gonna find your indicators. So you're gonna get all these people starting to follow you and stuff.
Cool.
You're gonna be rich famous.
Because everybody's looking for the moon phases.
Let's do it. Yeah, we gotta go to the moon. Before we forget, let's do.
So let's look around, little poke around. Do we find even any coin that maybe Zcash?
Yeah, before that, but I wanted to do this right here. Okay, so we have this nice
Atom versus RUNE.
Nice Atom versus RUNE chart.
Wait, Atom and Zero or something? I can see. Yeah.
No, Atom RUNE. So it's this nice range that it has. So what happens is at one point RUNE outperforms, the other day Atom outperforms, and RUNE outperforms, and Atom right now is currently outperforming. Oh my god, what's going on? Something just stopped.
But okay, I see.
But and I want to do the staking. So like, let's say I'm looking at this chart and I have indicators when I know I need to switch up to stake one and the other. I want to see if it makes sense. So how much do you get currently with RUNE APY? And I will figure out how much we get for Atom APY, and we're going to do a comparison really quickly.
So
just let me know what your number is.
So with the Atom APY, it's kind of fixed, but of course it has the what's the like stake ratio, so they will adjust. If it's a lot of coins staking Atom, the APY goes lower, and if there's less people staking, the APY goes higher. So it's inflationary token. That's the issue. ThorChain is not the inflationary token.
What's the APY? We're not comparing what it does, what it isn't. What is the APY? That's the most important. And looking at this chart is what we're
do you want last 3 days APY, 1 month APY?
1 year, 1 year.
Well, I don't have average for 1 year.
Okay, so let me see. Let me see the last period. Okay, we could do last 6 months or something. Let's see how long this trend lasted for. Give me 1 second. I don't know. Date range. So the last trend lasted for about 1 year, a little bit more than 1 year. Okay, so yeah, just give me whatever you have on monthly. Let's see.
It's a good month, so it's skewed. It's 55%.
And what was last month? Or it doesn't show you?
No, but I can like ballpark it. There's more like 10-ish, 15-ish range, because I have to. I mean,
they don't have a historical chart to get the APY from the.
Let me check, and I have different. Let's say APY. The issue is that the APY it's not. It's about the activity of the protocol, not tied to the. It's not fixed. No, I don't have APY. Maybe let's see Google.
Let's see if I could find. Yeah, we're gonna find out Google. So Atom, I almost found Atom. Atom is, if I stake it, Atom gives about 18%, 18.3%. We're gonna remember that number. And now let's see RUNE. Now this is very complex strategy, guys. For all the people that are watching, what we're doing is we're basically taking two tokens that are competing with one another.
Oh my god!
In their own space. We found a crazy range of their competition, being where like one dominates one, right? So this crazy range, and now we're going to take advantage of minting as much tokens from staking at the time when it's better to do one versus the other, and switching the money accordingly when that time comes.
Hey Rom, I'm loving your indicator. Tell us about these blue lines on the screen. What do these mean?
Yeah, so that indicator looks a little like it needs to be. You need to adjust it, I think, so that it's on the bottom. Like
when the chart turns blue, like is that a bullish thing or?
No. That indicator, your volume is being something is wrong. I don't know what happened, but it's supposed to be like on where your RSI is. You need to adjust the levels.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me drop it
Yeah.
down a panel here.
Yo, I found ChatGPT said that 2024 year APY was 22%.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now it's just a big blue line. It's a big blue bar.
Yeah, it's supposed to be and that's supposed to. Yeah, there we go.
And then I hit
we
automatic.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, I guess that's how you touch it up. But now you see exactly the USDT volume.
Okay, thank you for helping me troubleshoot that.
Wait, do you want to say me that 2020, the last bull market top quite high dollarized volume? That's crazy. But maybe that's because a lot of volume has actually went to the ETFs and stuff. So that's kind of skewing the stuff.
Yeah, that's what I use. I use Coinbase Bitcoin. It's more or less a little bit better than Binance because Binance is the second index. That would be the preferable one to actually measure volume. But Coinbase is good. It seems to be promising, and most of the indicators that work on the Coinbase chart, they hold better. Kind of like the SAR, for example,
more
it's
stable,
on a bearish.
more stable.
Yeah. But okay, so actually it's not bad. Seeing that we have Atom and Moon right now 20% roughly on average APY, this could be a very interesting position that I'm going to be opening. I'm even going to write it down. So the goal here is right now Atom is going to not be reaching its limits, right? It's kind of forming a double top. Will it go to the upper version of the curve? It might. But I feel like I'm going to wait it out. The moment the Atom and Rune chart goes here, I'm going to buy Rune tokens and stake them. Now, Coke, this is going to be a video for another time, but I would love you to show us exactly how that's done and exactly what the lockup period is and also the unstaking period. That's important. Atom is, I think, 2 weeks. But, if it's somewhere like a month, that's fine. 2 weeks to a month.
For Rune token, there is a way to have 0 days as well.
Oh, amazing. Even better then.
But you have to buy TCY token, so it's a preferred. We will dive deeper.
Let's dive deep. Yeah, exactly. One of these days we'll do it.
I wish it was so simple.
No, this is complex. Most people don't even know staking and all this stuff.
And on ThorChain we call it bonding.
Versus Rune APY bonding curve. Bonding 20% on average.
Christmas lights. Let's go.
Nice, guys. We are seeing some prospective things happening here because Cosmos is an SDK that powers the rails to one of the most powerful ideas in crypto, which is kind of like bridging all the chains together in a safe fashion that hasn't been Cosmos has been up and running for a long time. So
don't say bridging. People in Cosmos will cringe for that. It's interchain. IBC, inter-blockchain communication or whatever.
Okay, I guess that,
Because it's not bridge, it's a function baked into the SDK, so there is no bridges involved.
Yeah, there's a default class to transfer, and the transfer already
exactly. Because bridging can be risky because you have to do it between two different blockchains, right? But in Cosmos, you have all default way to communicate between different apps. So it's
an abstraction layer. I would assume, like if I had to idealize how this, we kind of looked at the code last podcast. It's mostly written in Go. I'm not familiar in Go, but Go is kind of similar to Python. And then they have some features that are in like C++ or C, I believe. So I believe like the hard-coded bridging or inter-blockchain communication is probably written in those languages, and that's the application layer that's built on top, and then everything else is like run through on top of that, basically. So that's where it makes it smooth and secure.
Smooth criminal.
Well, not really smooth. Yeah, not too smooth. Rune makes it a lot smoother. Rune definitely makes it smooth.
So Rune has nothing to do with IBC?
No, I'm talking about the Cosmos SDK.
All right.
Yeah, so now we're going to bubble chart. Theo, looking at tokens.
Yes, ThorChain is the first DEX to swap real Bitcoin. You can use every Bitcoin wallet in the world, and you don't have to connect it to a website. This is the same with Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Tron, Doge, and many more. Eventually, guys, you'll be able to swap any token from any wallet. ThorChain is turning into a full layer 1 where apps can be built on top of it. The new app layer unlocks lending perks, Bitcoin-backed stablecoins, token launchpad, NFTs, prediction markets, and more. Back to you in the studio there, Coke.
Thank you so much. That's absolutely.
So bubbles. Okay, so we have night. Let's see. So since it's a bear market, let's just go over the long-term trend. So let's say yearly. Let's see what has been really performing this
What is
year.
AB? What the hell?
Yep. So now we're finding some cool
Yeah, what
stuff.
is AB?
What is AB? I know JB, Justin Bieber, but not AB.
AB.
The hell?
AB price.
I think it's some scam token, just percentage is wild, and the otherwise it's dead token. Like it's just put it on all, right side, up corner, all. Yes, it. Oh, look. It looks like
it launched in
looks
2019. What the fuck?
It looks like Mantra DAO, so it's going 0 again back.
So it's like, holy bro. It went to 0. Literally.
Look at Mantra
and then
DAO.
out of nowhere, these guys,
Yeah.
like last year, were like liquidity injection. They put $1 million into this bitch. It went from 81,000. They put $1 million, couple millions in a day. Like they convinced the market makers to pump the token. So that's what they did. And then they went higher, and they probably sold. And they're like, yo, guys, we need to sell again. So they pumped it right here. And then boom, these idiots came back in. It's gone back on. This is the pure epitome of this cycle. I feel like what ended up happening with how market makers are playing people. They're pumping tokens that were dead, including Zcash. Zcash is just holding a lot better because it has more holders, I guess. But yeah, we never heard of this token, and yep, out of nowhere, boop.
But look at it all time. It's exactly the same.
Mantra DAO.
You had search in there wherever you were. Market DAO.
Yeah.
Oh,
DOI, right?
Oh, look. So you see how these guys will end? That's how it will end.
Yeah, but these guys that was so quick. These guys are kind of like trying to keep that thing alive. We'll see. It'll probably, but yeah, it looks like this is crazy rough.
But we have to be honest, guys. I saw a comment down below on one YouTube video like, hey, why your Moon Boys podcast and you're not discussing any micro tokens? Like,
yeah, why are you bearish?
We have. So
do you want to lose money? Do you want to lose money now or next week with us? So if you want to buy micro tokens, you can lose money now.
Oh, this is fun. They have a Chinese stablecoin.
That's Tether Gold.
Yeah, it's gold token. Yeah,
Chinese. Okay, so there's Ultima. I don't know what this is. We're gonna look at that. Ultima. It kind of went too far. We have Merle, whatever the fuck Merle is, and there's XMR, which is the true privacy that hasn't been put on. So, but let's start off with these little ones: BD, Ultima, and Merle. Now they all performed pretty well. So let's start off with Merle.
Oh my god,
Merle. Chain.
Token research brought to you by Rom Reactor.
Boom. Looks like it's gone to 0. This looks like ICP. All right, next one. BDX. That was a quick.
Looks like ICP. Next one.
BDX. Yeah.
Is this in the Uber dictionary? Like this token has been IPC'd?
I see. Nah, but I'm just it's. I don't know. You want to look into that one? You want to go further? What was it called? Merle. This one looks better. Beldex, but.
Yeah, it's so long as well. It's crazy.
Merlin. Price.
I mean, I have one question. Like, why don't each CoinGecko and the CoinMarket search in there as well? Why you put DuckDuckGo?
I don't know.
Just asking for friends. I don't care.
It's whichever way it gets done makes no difference. Yeah. So Merlin has some weird token supplies. They're still minting. It's a pretty big project.
Yeah, it's crazy. What the hell?
Merlin chain. I never seen this before, but yeah, for this year it did pretty good. I mean, holding the price, it could be interesting that it's going back up, right? Also, let's look.
What's against BTC? Can you flip just shortly?
Yeah, I just wanted to see what this is. Merlin chain, the native Bitcoin layer 2.
So when it comes to Bitcoin L2s, you cannot build any L2 on top of Bitcoin, but you can have a L1 that uses Bitcoin as a secured manner, like ThorChain or Jira. So there's like having a Bitcoin L2 is impossible. It's a native Bitcoin layer 2. It's crazy. I don't know. It's like a Fugazi, guys. Don't listen to it.
Yeah, well, yeah, of course, because it's not like the Bitcoin code is closed off.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
They're not like meant to be programmable. Yep. So okay, so we have that. So I guess we're just saying that it's Fugazi. We'll just leave it at that, and it looks like ICP.
I mean, maybe they're just, I don't know. Oh, Bachi Benwin. So
yeah, it could be they will just rebrand. Like it's, if they already built the technology to kind of build a RUNE, but they
since if you look at the contract address, it seems like layer 1, or is it like click on the 3 dots? If there any,
this
let's
one,
say where is it deployed?
MetaMask.
Okay,
and
maybe it's a layer. Maybe it's a layer 1 that you can use Bitcoin on top. No clue.
Yeah, it seems to be like what they do with all these layer 1s, where basically they have a communication layer. Same thing with the Unisat wallet. It talks to all of these different what are they called? They like index Bitcoin UTXOs. But yeah, Unisat is the other alternative. If you want to explore Bitcoin, I think this is the most known one. I never went into deposit my tokens here, but the way you trade things is a little bit weird. So let's say you want to buy ordinals or ordies, you actually have to buy them in bundles of amounts. So 1 million, right? You could buy it, but this is like a UTXO, so this is like 1 Satoshi. That is indexed.
But it makes sense if you know how UTXOs work. Then you are buying this UTXO. It makes sense.
Yeah. So this is the best they got, and it's integrated with Ethereum because, I mean, at the end of the day, you need to have some kind of communication with the wallets and everything. So I'm sure they use some kind of Ethereum stack on this.
But let's see how Stacks is doing. This is the biggest Bitcoin DeFi layer, I guess. Stacks. No, it's a separate token. Stacks.
I guess it's separate.
Maybe CoinGecko. CK. Yeah.
Stack. This one? Stacks.
Yes. No. Let's go CoinGecko.
STX.
No. Yeah, STX is the ticker. But I don't know about this type of how it shows here. I know. Let's look here. STX Stacks. Whoa. Wow. I have to be honest, I haven't looked at this chart for a while, for like months and months.
Yeah. It's very nice how it had a double pump. Even last year, I guess. Even this year it had a pump.
Holy shit, it had a nice run. Imagine in 1 year, like beginning of 2023, and you cashed out like 2024, and and now full retrace. I think that's the like what has been happened with the most tokens, if like full round trip or even worse.
Or even worse, yeah, exactly. And the big reason for the round trip, well, this one is it kind of rode the Bitcoin narrative, and it kind of looks like it might ride it again once Bitcoin starts pumping.
But look at against Bitcoin.
As long as they don't leave or exit liquidity fully.
Can you click on compare with Bitcoin on down left? Yeah.
Oh, I mean that's where you could see the Bitcoin comparison.
Okay, Jesus. So it even it's all-time lows.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think there is no token that has survived the entire cycle against Bitcoin. Maybe XRP. If you start from the bottom of Bitcoin,
we know which one. Tron.
No, against Bitcoin, percentage-wise, no. Look, sideways. No, wait. You have to start 2023. No, 2023. Look at 2023 January when the Bitcoin.
Oh, but we're talking about all time. We're not talking about.
I was more talking about like this cycle, like as
even then, like it's only now Bitcoin has outperformed it.
But XRP is as well. Maybe
it's been holding pretty well.
Yeah. And it's crazy. XRP, I think it's quite.
Yeah. Just recently only
reclaimed.
Yeah, the XRP has a long way to go down because there's virtually no support here. So if the Bitcoin bear continues and XRP loses this horizontal support, which kind of looks like it's heading to breaking any minute now. Like I said, most coins are waiting for Bitcoin to do a narrative, and my idea is still that the market makers will pump to retest these weeks as they've been doing, so people can keep exiting. But then eventually they're just gonna stop that, right? And then once they stop that, all these tokens like XRP, CRX, they might have no virtual support anymore left. the market makers already kind of dumped a bunch of liquidity, and we're going to be long-term back holders. And I XRP for me could easily go back to 70 cents. So what my idea for a lot of these tokens is I just ordered a Trezor wallet, and I want to like make that fully offline. I don't want to interact with any smart contracts with that.
So you will use ThorChain to swap?
No, I will not even use that. I will only use like an exchange like Bybit or something. But yeah, Trezors right now they have a deal. If anybody's interested, I could post my referral code. Maybe we should make a. But yeah, it's 30% off. It looks really awesome. I never used a Trezor before, but for this price, I think it's the best bang for your buck.
I have one Trezor. I have one Trezor, but I didn't like.
Which one do you have? You had this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one's a little bit newer. So it has a touch screen, and you could view your NFTs.
I had even maybe older one. Even show me lower ones.
Yeah, this one.
Those lower. No, this one.
This is. Oh, that's the very first one. Yeah.
Yeah. Trezor Model 1.
Yeah, that one looked. Yeah, that one is the very first one. But yeah, so right now they have this model, and I haven't received it yet, but it looks pretty cool, and it's a touchscreen square. So for its price, is way better than anything I've seen. And guys, remember, keep your crypto safe. If it's not under your custody, it's not yours.
But still, Trezor still is like it has this one point of failure.
No, well, which one? Well.
But with the multi-sig wallet, there's
right. So Trezor actually comes with a multi-sig built in. You could actually, when you set up your Trezor wallet, you could select to divide your seed phrase, let's say into 3 parts, and then you could say like if you have 2 out of those 3 parts, you will unlock the wallet. And what Trezor also has, which is pretty interesting in this new one, is you could grab a micro SD card and you could put it inside the Trezor, and the seed phrase will be stored onto that micro SD card. So the only way to unlock the Trezor would be you would need both the PIN and the micro SD card to unlock the Trezor to sign transactions and whatnot. Obviously, if you have your seed phrase, you could always restore it. But yeah, so if you want to remove that SD card, if you want to because the way the Trezor works, you can't tamper with the software. You would have to format the SD card and format the Trezor and re-put your seed phrase if you don't want to use that SD card feature anymore. So you kind of have to either use it or not.
And Trezor was open source, if I'm not mistaken.
And Trezor is open source, so yep, exactly. A lot of the stuff that in the cryptography space, the BIP standards, I think they're called. Trezor is one of the pioneers because they built the open source code, and then Ledger and all these other Tangent wallets, they adopt what Trezor builds.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for this price, like I just said, it's pretty good offer. $118. I mean, even if you get like this older one, it's $55. That's amazing. Oh, sorry, is it? Yeah, 55. Amazing price. But yeah, let's keep going. So we have a couple more coins. Yeah, especially versus the Ledger. Like Ledger's Nano is like 100 something, and then if you want to get the Ledger Flex or the Ledger Stacks, you're looking at $250 and $400. So you're getting charged a kidney to keep your crypto safe. So we have Zcash, right? But we also have this coin called Ultima and BDX. So BDX is Beldex. It looks like it's been ranging since its creation.
It's quite good. Say it.
I'm not sure what this token is.
I don't know. I think it's manipulated, to be honest. I don't trust this token at all.
It's on Binance. It's a Binance smart chain. Let's see what
Hardware wallets on the left corner.
Will fire.
It's the picture of Theo when he was younger.
That's the one thing that loaded first. Okay. Privacy in every online interaction. Use BDX. Chat with freedom. Oh, okay. They have a couple products. Okay. The privacy protocol.
I don't know. Seems sketchy. Avoid. Don't know enough.
Yeah, it could be sketchy. But yeah, and especially the price being in the range. We were taking a very high risk because it could just get dumped.
Really sus price.
Yeah.
What is CoinMarketCap AI? What the hell? Okay.
Yeah. It's probably
it's just ChatGPT. Yeah, okay. I think it's just ChatGPT answers.
Yeah. Let's see what people are saying. Isn't just a token. Okay, that sounds it sounds like a robot. Every day the registration burns. Oh, okay, anyways, they're just chilling. But let's move on. Now BDX doesn't look so interesting. Ultima. Shit. Ultima. What token is that? Ooh. Okay. Okay, this looks a little better. It looks at least like it's pumping a little bit. Volume 20 million.
Crazy valuations.
But price is $6,000 a token. So it's kind of like Yearn Finance. Let's see this. dig deep. Let's see what they do.
Most generic thing that you can write on top of. What the hell? I mean, if I read this type of generic text, I just click exit. Like, it's so dumb. Like, you have a product, you have like knowing the attention span of people. Like, you have like 6 seconds.
What do you guys think? Does this guy scream scam?
Yes.
Does the guy's face scream scam?
Yes.
Alex Reinhard.
That's kind of like this eyebrow scam movement. Guys,
more than
be
100
careful.
seminars, guys. Must be good.
More than 100 scam sessions. The scaminers.
Is it that guy from One Token, you know?
Please join my scam,
Coin.
guys. Please.
Scaminar.
Scaminar. Next episode will be called Scaminar with Moon Boys.
Yeah, the Moon Boys line. We're gonna do an hour-long TA course, private. Get a sign up in advance.
The last token we could look at is XMR. Let's give true privacy some hype, and yeah, XMR looks pretty good. I'll even open it over here. Actually,
$50.
Never had it. XMR.
No, not $50. It's 5K, but minus 99%.
Which exchange do you guys use? Binance? Oh, it's not on Bybit? Really? Oh, it is. Yep. XMR on Bybit, but only perpetuals. It's
perps. They cannot because they don't want to. It's a privacy card. They don't want to.
Bastards. So I might have to ask one of you guys about Mexi has it. Okay.
Mexi is the best one. I use Mexi. Wait, Kraken was there, bro. Why you?
But the Kraken is not as California or something. Wait, why is this not showing my chart?
You cannot use Kraken?
I'm still on this bullshit token page. 1 second. Yeah, I cannot use Kraken. I'm in New York, bro. New York is very, very annoying. Like, you can only use like all the tokens at launch have to have a license in New York. Like, if XMR doesn't have a license in New York, there's no way even for me to buy it, even if I, Well, if Kraken was, if Kraken would be in New York, there's a chance that XMR would still not be available to be purchased from Kraken because it doesn't have that license. But looking at XMR, I mean, it looks nice, guys. I mean, this is a bull market of its own. It's going like, and it's retesting its all-time high right now, which is, it goes to price discovery. I mean, if you guys want to dump all your old and put it into XMR, it might be a good idea.
Big late.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's a risk. It's very risky, because you can see that they already did a cup and handle. It like kind of finished it. So I mean, and then the last one is Zcash.
Look at this bad boy.
And Zcash is where we had the Fibonacci retracement. So we can see that we broke. We kind of are following Bitcoin, similar patterns. Bitcoin also couldn't reach its 2.618, but yeah, so didn't reach that, topped out, and now we're kind of using the one as support, which was the top over here before. We're holding the previous all-time high as support. Now we're not on a bearish trend yet on a weekly. I believe we're still bullish. Oh nope. Okay, there we go, guys. Warning sign. 2 weeks we've been bearish, but it's been going sideways at the same time. But still bearish weekly trend, right? So I don't think that line that Theo, which one was called? Let me add it. The free money line.
Moon Boys line?
No,
SuperTrend.
SuperTrend. This one or this one?
SuperTrend top one. This is Matt Smead's favorite indicator.
I thought it was Hexatrend.
I'm not sure what that is.
Hex. It's Richard Hart token. Hexatrend.
Should we do a live unboxing of this iPad Air on the stream?
You have an iPad Air? Wow, nice. Is that the new one?
Unboxing. I just doxed the serial number. Let's go.
I did that before. I remember like when I was selling something, I put the IMEI accidentally up. But I don't think nobody did. I just add this like 15 times. I did 1, 2. Okay. So we have where is it? Right here. So we're still in the bullish trend on the super line, I believe. Yeah, it didn't flip yet.
Yeah, the breakout was so nasty. It's like it's unusable. Like it's so up high. Like it's in no man's land basically. Really hard to touch this token.
Yeah, so Zcash is like, it looks like it's holding support. Let's see if it goes to 580 and bounces back. But on the daily, it's still bullish. It's bearish on the other line though, on the super trend. And yeah, it's leading the narrative of XMR. So the same price. Wow, look at that. It's interesting. It's like, what would you buy if you want to
iPad,
Zcash or XMR?
Yeah.
I think XMR might be a better buy right now. But Zcash already had its full price discovery above its all-time high. Now it's retracing. Hopefully it holds it. Yeah, if you guys want to bet, or if I want to bet, I think XMR might be a nice bet because
Fundamentals is the best strategy.
How do you buy XMR? Like you have to hold it on an exchange, or?
Yeah. No, you have wallets, but you have to. Yeah.
You have to use a hard wallet.
But actually, no. Actually, Unstoppable Wallet is gonna have XMR on. You can go next. Unstoppable Wallet.
I think Trezor has a XMR as well in Ledger here.
Yeah, a lot of have XMR support, but it's just getting it is issue for a lot of people.
Yeah, getting XMR.
That's how they get you.
Yeah. So Monero, again, we're kind of buying the top. You never know, it might go down, and it had this big cup and handle. I would, if I wanted to take a fun long position on this just to see how far it goes, I would not put all my money in this. A lot of times when this stuff happened, I got
here.
Yeah, because I had so many times it wrecked me. Like when I saw this pattern. This happened in gold too, actually.
But now it broke out.
Gold, yeah, but it took a long time for it to work out. You could see here, even if this is already when it broke out. Oh yeah, right here. Yep. So see, like it had a big boom. Make it weekly so you can see it better. There we go. Yep. Yeah, see, it had that. It had that. And you would think bullish, very bullish, but nope. Before it did that, it went back down. And then, then it was good, very good. But again, XMR is kind of doing the same thing. We're here with XMR.
Yes, we are. Yes,
and,
so.
Yeah, and it would be a risky play. But following Bitcoin pattern, if this pattern is like it does do this pattern, it's actually very good. So let's say, where's XMR at? So let's say like it did the cup and handle, then it's gonna retrace back here to 200, something like that. Would be a really nice buying opportunity of XMR. Because if it does follow this privacy narrative, I think it's one of the best.
I mean, seeing how the world is going, privacy is only the last hope for us. True privacy.
Yeah, and this has mixing built into on chain, so probably none of them have that. Zcash, I think, just privately encrypts your data, but does not necessarily handle.
And you have to enable it as well. It's not by default. Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Zcash still looking good here.
Yeah.
It's bear black. Down.
Yeah, a little bit. It's up 45% in the last 11 days.
Damn, that's something.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Here, maybe an entry.
I don't know. I don't want to. It's so far away from home already, so it's hard. It's hard,
I know. Yeah, I'm not holding any at this point either.
I think so.
But yeah, that'll do it for the show. We're gonna do the after party and post on Patreon, so keep an eye out for that. Do you guys have any final thoughts, Coke and Rom?
I mean, guys, it's been rough. Economies are rough. The markets are rough. So what can I say? Don't risk too much, so you don't have to go the crypto suicide index.
No, guys. I mean, take it easy. A lot of times, you invest into things, and you need time for it to play out. So just the holiday season, spend it with your family, right? Most important. If you have children, get them awesome gifts. The best you can do for kids. They're gonna love you. And don't get stressed. Don't. If you have money put into projects that are very risky, maybe take it off. If you feel that stress, take a little bit off the table. So you could de-stress and enjoy your time in real life. That's the most important. And join us in the podcast every week. Hopefully, we'll keep this up and not disappear with the bear market.
Yeah, patient in the market and never commit suicide. Very wise words. Thanks so much, guys. See you on the next one. Take care. Moon Boys out.
Yep. Peace.